Okay, so this is me, Andres Velasquez, and that's Kimberly K. Point, my girlfriend. She's okay. I'm just kidding.
You're okay too.
I know. I'm better than okay.
Where are you going?
We're going to Walmart right now. Oh, actually, we're going to McDonald's because this girl wants some ice cream.
Don't.
I
want real food.
Why are you recording me only? Maybe they want to see you too.
Because I'm so pretty.
Okay.
We're here! Yay, I get my Happy Meal. Oh, he broke his arm.
Well, she got the number 7 deal, and then I got the number 4 deal. The meal, I mean. And yeah, 2 orange juice, hash browns, and a sausage biscuit with egg, and whatever she got. So yeah.
I'm muting. I can't talk right now.
She can't talk right now.
I've been so...
See you later. Saved my life.
We just got done eating, and he dropped his hash browns. Idiot!
And then my lovely girlfriend, you know, she gave up her hash brown. I thought she was crazy. Why would you give up a hash brown, like, from McDonald's? They're the best. She gave it up and gave it to me. I'm like, aww. So,
because you bought me the food, so.
I was like, true that. If you guys find a girlfriend like that, that's just amazing.
She's a keeper.
She's a keeper. Yeah. But yeah.
Sometimes I wonder if their orange juice is like...
if it's fake.
Yeah.
I wonder that too.
So check this ring out.
You alright.
He thinks he's so cool having this ring.
Not even.
He won't even let anyone touch just the tip of it.
Because alright,
just
it's
the tip
special
of it.
for me. But no, this watch is even more special.
Okay, no.
I'm just kidding.
Let's not go there.
And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so
The...
right now.
You look so dumb, babe.
Alright, where to next, babe?
We're going to Wally 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 Wally.
Walla Walla what?
We're going to Wally 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 Wally.
We're going to Wally World.
Walmart. We're going to Walmart. That song was so dumb.
Oh, that was a cool bench bike. Would you ride that? I would.
It's crazy how old ladies that usually rides their bike on this bridge, they're always old people.
Man, they're trying to get it.
Shouldn't they be like in the trail of like
a park?
Like a park or a forest? Why a bridge?
A forest. Who will go bike riding on a forest? Especially old people.
There's people that go bike riding in the forest.
Yeah, but not old people.
Oh, here's Walmart. Oh my gosh.
Where have you been all my life?
I've been here all this time. What are you talking about?
No. You were in the Philippines, and then you were in Detroit.
Babe, we were 7. We didn't know what love was.
I knew what love was. It was you. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. It wasn't. It was this ring.
He's obsessed with that ring.
Just kidding.
Okay, we're going to Walmart now.
See you guys in there.
Adios.
So here we are. Our next stop, which is the one and only, the best part of Palm Coast.
It's really not.
The Latino market. You know, for all my Latinos out there, Spanish people. If you can see, she's Filipino.
Oh.
Yeah, she's Filipino.
I didn't even know you were recording.
Just got at the Latin market. This is originally came from Colombia, if you see. Of course, you know, I gotta get this. I love this. This is my stuff. So yeah, guys. Right now I'm driving to pick up Kim. She's at school. I had to drop her off earlier. Picking her up now. But yeah, like, so you know how this morning I was showing you how hot it was and complaining. You want to see how it is right now? Freaking raining. This is the college. This is the state, the community college we go to. They call it Daytona State. Now let's see where this girl is. Gotta find Kim. Gotta find her. So, you want to tell me what you got?
I got chicken with broccoli.
And fried rice.
Yeah.
With the water bottle. And for me, I got General Chow
Chicken.
chicken. I don't know. She ordered it for me.